Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a special watch for you from Richard Mille, the RM6702 Mutaz Barshim Purple Quartz TPT Automatic Extra Winding Flat. This is the currently in production watch and retails for over $176,000 US. Market price is much more at around $350,000 right now in 2022. Mutaz Barshim is a Qatari high jump athlete who participated in the Brazil Summer Olympics back in 2016, met with Richard Mille, and the concept for this watch was conceived. The purple color of the watch is derived from the purple flag color of Qatar. So I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch, the case, the bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and strap, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The RM6702 is the lightest automatic watch that Richard Mille makes. This watch is just 32 grams. It's super light. It's the sporty version of the RM6701, which is in either titanium or rose gold. Actually, I happen to have one right here. So yes, this is the sporty version. This is the dress version of the watch. So this watch is a 47.5 millimeters watch from top to bottom of the case. It's almost 39 millimeters from left to right side of the case, and it's 7.8 millimeters thick from front to back. So the measurements for tonneau-shaped watches are measured from the top down, so as to not go over the wrist, and that would make it look awkward. This watch is considered a unisex watch. The RM6702 is offered in other colored cases as well as this purple TPT case with a little bit of white in there. There is some white layering in the material for extra contrast, and it's also part of the flag colors for Qatar. The case is in three parts, so you're looking at the front, the middle, and the back. So the middle, I think it's a carbon TPT here, black carbon TPT. Makes for a good contrast against that purple front and back. The case is rated 50 meters of water resistance, so you can go swimming with this watch on, but probably not diving. Now going in the dial, we can see this unique skeletonized grade 5 titanium dial. We see the purple colors going across the dial and white index dots for the hour markers. You have luminous hour and minute hands, but there's no second hand in here. So it's just that complication to the regular chronometer. This also has this carbon TPT rotor with white gold weights. If you look closely, you can see that rotor. Most of that oscillator is in a carbon TPT, with the outside of it is a white gold. Really good looking movement. The movement actually has only 50-hour power reserve, so it's going to be keeping time for over 2 days once you take it off. Those titanium bridges you can see through this watch actually are skeletonized and coated, PVD coated. You can see how amazing it looks looking through the case back, or through the case. This movement's only 4 millimeters thick and has 25 jewels. It looks really nice and modern. Going on to the strap that holds this watch, we're looking at this matching seamless white elastic strap. This white strap it's a elastic non-slip strap, so it's actually the material on the inside actually keeps it from slipping on the wrist. This white strap can be changed out for another color, but the white is what it comes with. Let's go ahead and try this watch on my wrist for size. I mean, this is a 40 millimeter watch, or 39 millimeter watch. This should fit my 6.75 inch wrist just fine. And it does. And it looks beautiful. Like I said, it is an extra flat, so you can see how flat it is against my wrist. So for those of you who are familiar with RMs or Richard Mille watches and you think that they're really large and oversized, this one fits my medium-sized wrist just fine. As far as what I think about this watch, overall this is an amazing watch that's just out of reach for most people due to its high retail price and even higher market price. There are not too many purple case watches out there, and this one sure does grab your attention. The watch is easy to wear, it's lightweight at only 32 grams. It's not too clunky. It'll probably slip under a cuff. It's 48 millimeters from top to bottom and almost 40 millimeters from left to right, so it's going to sit very nicely on a full-size wrist. Yeah, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website, jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 6702, RM6702. This is the Richard Mille RM6702 Mutaz Barshim automatic extra flat in Quartz TPT with a white elastic strap. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.